What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be test driving two TRX450s. We got a 2007 TRX450 right here and a 2008 right here. So the thing about these ones, one of them is completely stock. There's only suspension and it's got a pipe on it. This one has a lot more stuff done to it. It's got cans, all sorts of stuff done to the engine, suspension, pipes, everything. So today we're going to compare the difference between a stock and a fully built TRX 450. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we've been riding for about an hour right now. Bikes are doing really good. I'm actually very impressed. Right now we're about to drag race it and see which one's faster. Let's get it. So the main takeaway from this video are the pros and cons of each bike. On paper, the white TRX is just flat out better with all its engine modifications and stuff. It is just better. But at the same time, the black one is also great in its own way. It's just more comfortable and easier to ride on trails and trail racing, woods racing and stuff like that. That's what we do here on this channel. If you want power, if you want to drag race, you know, build that son of a bitch. But if you want to maintain high speeds through the woods, through the technical parts on trails, you know, having it stock is not a bad option. Before I end the video, I want to leave you guys with this. What kind of setup do you guys prefer? And what kind of riding do you guys do? Because I'm still out here learning just as much as you guys are. And I would kind of like want to start a discussion, like what kind of setup you guys do, what kind of setup you guys prefer for the type of riding that you guys do. So yeah, let's start a discussion. You know, leave a comment down below. I would love to interact with you guys, so see how it goes. Alright guys, well I guess that's it for me. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.